Yes, today we're gonna make Tom Yum Chicken.
Tom Yum Chicken, okay. Shall we start with the rice?
Okay.
Scarlett love when I do the rice because it's going to be perfect. Cold water, 3 cups of rice, and wash it. It's really important to wash it at least 3 times and really scrub the rice like this so we get off all this. As you see, 3 times at least you have to do it so it gets really like that. We bought a rice cooker in Thailand from ThaiFood with AI who can do the most we need to do. So, cold water. And you shall have water there, something like that. And remember, it doesn't matter if you have 3 or 4 cups, it should always be up to that. You see, there it's perfect. Then you know it's perfect.
Make it count on the knife.
Yeah, I count here, so you see. There, just, yeah, so, of course. So now we do Tom Yum chicken, a new way to do it. I have not done it like this before. So we start with turning on. Put it on 8. We put the water, 1 liter. That. And we take this without cutting myself, so it's better to press it like this because you get more taste of the garlic when you do like this. So, and then we slice, we press it, you do the same as with garlic, so like this. Now we put this in here in the water. You want that now also? What this?
You can taste how.
It's a type of lemon. Yeah. This also. And the chicken bouillon.
Yum, we don't do the smoke. We do that.
You only want it like that. Okay. Yep. I thought that I should slice it nice, you said. Like that. And now we put it, so now it's time for boiling the chicken. Now we cut this, so that's done. Is our own fresh tomatoes. So we put a spoon on this fish sauce, oyster fish sauce. Try it like that. And we take the onion. And the chili. And then we break the leaf. Tell you, the smell is already here. It's smelling marvelous already. And this was 2 of this, like that.
No, you put already there.
It's enough. Oh, and the tomatoes. And just let it boil a little before you taste. If we have mushroom, we could put that in also. But we don't have it yet, so yeah, we try it like this and see how it tastes. It should be a little sour and a little salty, but I think I need to have 1 more spoon of that fish sauce because it's not taste. That's better. So I think our Tom Yum is nearly finished here now. It's quick to do, easy to do. So now the rice is finished. And it's so nice. Look how nice it is. Perfect. Thai basilica like that. And now we take the soup. Close that, so. Tom Yum chicken soup. With a tomato like that. So here you have a Farang making a Tom Yum chicken soup. So I hope you're gonna like the recipe we have shown you today, and if you like more of this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe here and click like. So have a good day. See you next time. Bye.